Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add contacts in Gmail. Adding contacts makes it easier to send emails, organize your address book, and keep important email addresses in one place. So let's get started. First, open Gmail on your computer. If you haven't already, sign in to your Google account. Next, click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Contacts. Google Contacts will open in a new tab. Now, click the Create Contact button on the left side of the page. Choose Create a Contact if you're adding a single person. Enter the contact's first name, last name, and email address. You can also add additional information such as a phone number, company, job title, birthday, or notes if needed. Once you've entered the contact details, click Save. The new contact will now be added to your Google Contacts and will automatically be available in Gmail when you compose a new email. To test it, return to Gmail and click Compose. In the To field, start typing the contact's name or email address. Gmail will automatically suggest the contact you just added. Simply select the contact from the list and continue writing your email. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add contacts in Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tips, Google Contacts tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next one.